If you're watching this video, it's because you've been informed by your solicitor that they need to instruct an independent social worker to prepare a report about the good and bad aspects of the social care work relating to your case. This expert is often referred to as an ISW. As mentioned, the independent social worker will be looking at the good and bad social work practice. They'll be looking at the context at the time that the abuse was taking place, including looking at policies, practices and procedures that were in place at the time the abuse occurred. They will be asked to look at whether the authority made any errors or acted inappropriately during the period that you suffered abuse. They will then be asked to consider how these failings impacted your care, and they may make recommendations for improvements to the local authority. This is more to ensure that what happened to you doesn't happen to other children in the future. Although it's very unlikely that your case will end up at court, if it did go to court, then it is the independent social work report that would also go before any judge. So it's really important that the report is accurate. It's unusual for an independent social worker to want to meet with a survivor of abuse. It's more common that your solicitor will provide them with all of the various records that they have gathered, such as your social work records, medical records, police records, and any other records that they deem relevant. So therefore, please don't worry about having to speak to yet another person about what's happened to you. This report normally takes up to 12 weeks to be received, but this time frame can differ depending on the complexity of your case and how busy the expert is. Once it's received, your solicitor will be in touch with you to explain the content.